This is a recipe for Guinness beef stew. Preheat the oven to 140 degrees centigrade. Please note for this video I doubled up on the quantity so I can freeze batch for another day. The measurements I give are for one batch, but the video will show a greater amount of ingredients. One tablespoon of plain flour seasoned with salt and pepper. Coat 500 grams of stewing steak into the flour. Ensure all sides have flour on. Use a casserole pan with a lid. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a knob of butter. Add in 1 large onion cut into crescent moon shapes. Cook for a few minutes until they start to turn golden. Remove the onions from the pan for a short while. Fry the steak off in small batches. Small batches helps get a rich brown colour and stops the steak steaming. When the steak is browned, add half a can of Guinness. Add back in the onions. Stir to combine. Add 1 teaspoon of English mustard and a real good slug of Worcestershire sauce. Stir in well. Due to the double batch, I then transferred mine to an extra large casserole pan. You won't need to do this if you're just making a single batch of the recipe. Add in 2 chopped carrots and half a chopped swede, along with 1 large parsnip chopped and 1 large celery stick chopped. Tuck in 2 bay leaves. Add in 1 litre of good quality beef stock. Bring to the boil, place a lid on and put into the oven. Cook for 2.5 hours until the meat and vegetables are tender. If it's too thick, add a little more stock or kettle water, test for seasoning and add salt and pepper if needed. I also love to add dumplings to my Guinness stew. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.